from the UK Pavilion. Do you want to tell me a bit about the UK products and exhibitors you've got here?
Yeah, I'm William, from the head of events at BESA, the British Educational Suppliers Association. We've been working with you for over 14 years now, setting up this event. We have the biggest pavilion at GESS with over 70 companies. We have new companies like EdTech Team, Expo, Manga High, and also companies that have taken part in the past. We always support the event, and we hope to come next year.
Okay, and I think you've got quite a large pavilion here, certainly the largest one on our show floor. What kind of products can visitors see? There's quite a wide range of products, and I know the British products are a sign of good quality.
Yeah, we have a diversity of products, anything from early years to primary, secondary, and even university level. We have didactic material, ICT, software, hardware, furniture, everything that you can see in a school, college, or university.
And I think for the first time this year you've bought the Great British Classroom here. Can you explain a bit about that and what people can see?
Yeah, the Great British Classroom, or as we call it, the GBC, is a BESA initiative. We started a couple of years ago. The first time we did it was in Malaysia, and it was quite welcome. So the Great British Classroom is just, we set up an area that looks a bit like a classroom in the UK, and then we run workshops and live lessons with real students. So the school that is involved this year is Repton School, which is quite a reputable school here in Dubai, and they're bringing children on lower primary on tomorrow, and then upper primary on Wednesday, and secondary on Thursday. And we're doing 3 lessons with each one of them. Lessons vary from language, maths, coding, grammar, anything. So, and there will be live lessons here, as well as some of the companies are delivering some workshops about the products.
Great, so people can really see what some of the products are like and the range of companies here as well?
Yeah, they can see everything, they can see how it works and how can it help teachers to save time to teach. So the teachers are there to teach, not to really start preparing long lessons, so it saves time to teachers, and also it helps students to learn easier.
Okay, and what's the one thing you're looking forward to at GESS this year?
Okay, as BESA, we are looking for our UK pavilion to have a good time with good quality delegates, which usually GESS brings, and some of them are looking for potential partners like agents or distributors.